These kids are so toxic when they tag one.
Stay mad. Stay mad. Stay mad. Stay mad.
These kids are so freaking mad.
Oh no, he's after me. The monkey's after me.
No. Where's the person on screen? Man, you're a dick.
Like, really? Wait, so far? She's feeling so hard. 2024, I don't know what they mean. There you go. You saw it. You're Sally. You saw it so hard.
Possible. Go. On.
I eat a lot. My favorite food is probably like In-N-Out.
Cam, I don't care if he's cheating.
You're fucking huge.
No, actually, I'm not huge.
Ghost.
Hi.
Couldn't help it, but
Oh, the rocket just went off.
eat your face.
I had to.
You still? Hey, yo, whoa! They were
What the shit, ma?
What the shit, ma?
In a race.
What the shit, ma? I got an A minus in math, so I got an A minus in math.
You said L. You just said L. What do you mean?
I got an A minus in math, bro. I don't need to
I gotta see you.
I can't play, bro. I got a charger.
I'm sorry to say it.
Was it banana? Banana, did you get maroon?
Oh my god.
Oh my bunny. Oh my bunny. Where's that? It was lightning. Guys, I just seen lightning. The only lightning is coming in the bubble. And I don't want to lose your love tonight. This is not fair. I don't want to lose your love tonight.
You just broke my entire world.
I don't want to lose
Even though you can still do whatever anybody else can do.
I'm not gay. Shut up,
You know what
monkey.
clapping is? You're not funny, brother.
You can't clap your hands because you got one eye. Oh! What the fuck? You!
I'm not Maroon, please. Be nice to me, Maroon. Maroon, please. Please. And I told me not to lose your love tonight.
I saw that.
Watch out. He's above you. He's above you.
No, I never miss it. Touch his booty. Touch his booty.
I thought you were going to go, but you didn't commit. You didn't commit, brother. Why didn't you commit, brother?
Oh, come on.
Please. Why don't you commit yourself?
Oh, no. Oh, I almost just hit banana with Ariel. Shut up. I didn't miss. I never miss. Why am I just witnessing you just failing over and over again? I never miss, bro. You just did! No. What the fuck? I meant to do that. Oh, hey.
Meant to do what?
GG. And I went straight into it. Yeah, that monkey's a bit racist.
I don't know. Money we could try to
Oh, where'd my hand go?
On your lap?
Let me, you must be ashamed of yourself. Give you shame.
Oh, that's nothing.
Give your mom
What's
shame.
that?
And I give you banana. I kind of want to give you a hug right now, banana. You have to.
Ah!
Whoa! I give you shame.
What kind of animal are you?
Your shame.
What type of half a
Who am I?
No,
You're
this
right.
is
I'm
you.
a massive retard. Where am I? Pacifist. Hey, are you assuming it's an it?
Yes, I am it. I only have one controller. I can't really, like, what the fuck? I mean, oh. We need an umbrella. Put the umbrella away. Funny weapon. Let me walk you to class. I need your help. Somewhere.
Maroon. Let me walk you to class.
Hell,
Let me walk you to class.